Want to connect your Steam Deck to an external monitor? Here's a quick guide. First, grab a USB-C hub or dock that supports HDMI or display ports. Plug it into your Steam Deck's USB-C port. Next, connect your monitor's HDMI or display port cable to the dock. Once connected, your Steam Deck should automatically detect the external display. If that doesn't work, press the Steam button, go to Settings and then Display, and select your external monitor as the primary output. For the best performance, enable desktop mode. Just hold the power button, choose switch to desktop, and you'll have a full PC-like experience on your monitor. You can also connect a keyboard, mouse, or controller through the same dock for easier navigation. And that's it. Your Steam Deck is now running on a bigger screen, perfect for gaming or productivity. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.